Have you ever traveled abroad?
Not yet, but I think the farthest place I have ever gone is Mombasa.
But you used the plane?
Yes, I used a plane.
Okay, so take us through the process. Maybe what do you need?
For internal flights, actually, the only thing you need is a national identification card, and now the ticket flight.
Oh, the ticket flight.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So it's not the same as a visa. Do you know what a visa is?
Yes, I think I have heard something that people use to travel abroad in
Yeah.
other countries.
Or maybe someone want to come and stay here.
Okay.
So you need a Kenyan visa.
Okay.
So today we're going to be educating you how you can get one. If you're wondering how you can get one.
How to get a visa.
Yeah, my name is Patrick.
My name is Kenyan.
Yeah, so the first thing you need to do before starting the process of getting a visa is actually to identify what kind of a visa you want, because we have different kind of visas. We have a tourist visa, we have a business visa, and we have a transit visa.
So tourist, business, and a transit.
Yeah, so you have to identify, because you can look for a visa and finally you get it and it's not the kind of visa you want.
Okay.
Yeah, so take your time and decide what kind of a visa you want. Yeah. The second one is to gather the required documents, because you need some documents. So you need like your passport, your visa application form. You need your passport photo, and you need proof of travel. So you need to indicate why do you want to travel.
Oh, so if you are going for business, for pleasure, for
yeah. So you need to get those details, and you can do this online, or you can personally take yourself to the physical location you're supposed to apply. So the government has a website called e-visa, where you can go and apply there, or you can go to the government offices and apply there.
Okay.
In this case, Huduma Center.
Oh, Huduma Center.
Yeah, and of course you have to pay for the visa.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the
so it's not free.
Of course it's not free.
Okay.
No, it's not free.
I don't know, but yes, now I know.
It's not free. So you have to pay the visa fee. And after that, you'll have to wait for the processing.
I think those are the 5 tips that you need to know when you're applying for a visa. Yeah. If someone is actually interested in learning more about travel and tourism and travel, tour guiding, things like that, you can actually enroll at Finstock University College. They have this process regarding application of passports, and they will teach you into details. You can visit their website at www.finstockuniversity.com or email them at info@finstockuniversity.com. You can also call our customer care at 0703-313-722. Yeah. Make sure at the end of this video you like, you comment, you subscribe. Hit on the notification button so that every time we upload a new video,
you can be notified.
Yes, until next time.
Goodbye.